Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I know I usually post just once a week, but since it's the holiday season and I have a lot to share, I will be posting quite often. Today I will be showing you how I made this beautiful origami wreath, so let's get started. To make the wreath, I'm using a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 inch of paper. It looks white, but it's creamish in color and has a self design. Try to use a paper that has a white backing, as that would create the contrast. So first we're going to fold it in half diagonally and unfold. Then you're going to fold the edge to meet the center crease. Next, fold along the edge. Fold edge to edge. Then you're going to match the edges and fold. The one on the left forward and the one on the right backward. Unfold only the right hand side fold. You will now repeat the same steps for 7 more pieces. It's 8 pieces in total. While I do the second one, just a gentle reminder to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. To connect these pieces together, you're going to insert each piece into the pocket of the other and then fold the corner over the edge of the bottom piece and tuck it into the pocket. I know it sounds like a lot of words, but just watch and follow along. You're now going to continue connecting the pieces in the same manner. I made a mistake with one of the piece. As you can see, there's a white piece showing up instead of the cream. I realized it a bit later, so I went ahead and fixed it. And I then decorated it with some pearls, and we're done.